morning, everyone. This is K1 and K2 class. I am with Teacher Kang and, of course, my students. Today, we're going to make pancakes. Are you excited?
Yes!
Right, so in making pancakes, we have sugar, okay? Salt. We have eggs. We have milk. Yum, yum. And then we have, of course, the flour. And we have some bananas, sprinklers, and then your chocolate liquid Hershey's.
Chocolate latte.
All right, yes. So now we're going to go through the process. All right, so as always, we will mix up all the dry ingredients first. So we don't have a cup, so we'll make this as a cup. So this is about 2 cups of flour. So let's see. You don't have a measuring cup, but anyway. Okay, so maybe that's 1 cup. Mix there in the bigger bowl. Yeah.
Yummy, yummy.
See? And then, okay, so that would be like the 2nd cup. Okay, careful. And then this is sugar. So this is about, yep, sugar. And then that's 2 tablespoons of sugar. Yep. And then maybe, let's say a pinch or, okay, 1/4 maybe, or a teaspoon. All right, that's about it. And then after that, we mix all the dry ingredients together. You following?
Yeah.
Okay, and then we'll make a little bit of like a volcano. Okay, at the middle, yeah.
Oh, we put an egg.
Yeah, okay. How many eggs do you want?
1.
No, we'll get 2.
Oh.
Yep. All right, there we go. Just put it on the middle. So we're going to...
Wow, it's a rainbow.
Is it a rainbow? It looks like an island.
Island
Okay.
rainbow.
Yeah, but the piece of island is
it's
like
an eyeball.
yellow. Okay.
Okay.
Okay, what else do we need to do? So, milk.
It's the eyes.
Right, so maybe 2 cups of milk.
If we put that, then we turn it.
Yeah. 1.
Wow!
Ooh.
It's the eye!
Yep.
It's the eyeball.
Just a little bit more. Okay. You cannot see? Come nearer.
It's the
Okay,
eyeball.
let's close it. Okay, you don't have a longer spatula. I will use this fork and then we'll mix it all together. Okay, make sure, okay, that it's mixed. So we'll have to see to it that there's no lumps, yes? See? Before we eat the pancakes, there's a lot of things that we should do. Yeah, the color is becoming yellow. Yummy. So, just like that, so that there's no lumps. Just be careful. Okay, Manon, you want to help? Okay, come on this side. Come on this side. Okay. Yeah, you saw this when we watched, right? We watched it also yesterday. You see? When we eat things, we have to work on it, yeah? It's not easy. So when you eat your bread, there's somebody who mixed it. When you eat your vegetables, there's somebody who planted it. What? Ew! Yeah. You have to mix it very well. There, teacher. Thank you. Oh, so big. Let's cut it nicely. Yeah, it does. Don't say chocolate yet. Later.
Doing a pancake.
Yeah, we're doing a pancake. Okay, teacher, maybe we can remove this. Okay, so it will look nice. Burner. Of course, in using the burner, be careful and use what? Always ask assistance from your mom or dad or anybody who's an adult. Okay. So, okay, let's. Yeah, it's fire. Go. And then. No, we'll not put eggs. We're not going to fry eggs, darling. No. So, make sure that it's only medium heat. And then we'll put a little bit of oil to our pan. Maybe. Okay, yeah. There you go. Oh, perfect. Yeah. Then you hold this one. I hold it for you. Okay, put. Okay. Make sure you put it on the middle. Okay, go. Go. Okay, go. Flip.
You flip slowly.
Oh.
What? Just help me.
Yay! Okay, go. Flip. Oh, one more. Yay! So, now it's time for us to decorate our pancakes. Are you ready?
Yeah!
All right. Who's hungry? Who's hungry? Who's hungry? Me! Okay. So, we have sprinklers and then we have Hershey's. Okay. So, okay. I'll do mine first and then you do yours after, okay? Let me open this. Okay. Maybe I'll put a little bit of banana on for my eyes. Yeah, that's my mouth. Okay.
One rabbit.
Okay. I want mine to have sprinklers, maybe. So the sprinklers will look like my lipstick. Okay. Yep. Yeah. All right. Yeah. So that's mine. See? Okay. Look. So those are my eyes. That's my ears. Oh, no more ears. Okay. What I did, and then maybe. Okay. They have to take turns. Yeah. Take a picture later. Okay. Maybe. Wait. I think we have to because I think we have to. Okay. Mm-hmm. Careful, Sochat. Careful. Oh, that's okay. Daria, you be the one. Careful. Oh, all right. You don't want bananas in it? Okay, there you go. Ronald. Careful. Okay. Yeah, good job. Okay. Careful, Manon. Okay. Give it to Chai Long too. Huh? Okay. Yan it? Oh, looks like